of the week. Monday, Somwar. Tuesday, Mangal. Wednesday, Budh. Thursday, Jumerat. Friday, Jumma. Saturday, Hafta. Sunday, Itwar. Months of the year: January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. Seasons names: summer, Garmi. Autumn, Khazan. Winter, Sardi. Spring, Bahar. Weather names: sunny, Dhoop. Cloudy, Abar Alud. Rainy, Barish. Windy, Tez Hawa. Stormy, आंधी या तूफानी. Snowy, बर्फबारी. Foggy, धुंध वाला मौसम. Hot, गरम. Cold, सर्द. Humid, मरतूब. Dry, खुश्क. Clear, साफ मौसम.